Welcome back, my Drews Boots from the Drews Boots Kingdom! Yay! Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I style my mini Fendi Peekaboo that I'm wearing today at brunch here in Hollywood at the Sky Bar. With my best girlfriend. Isn't she gorgeous? Danielle, you're so gorgeous. You guys just saw this beauty, but what I have to say is, before all that, thank you guys so much. My last video where I talked about a family member that was dealing with some mental health issues. And you guys gave me some sound advice, and one thing I appreciated about this kingdom. A lot of content creators don't give enough recognition to their supporters that I feel like they should, because at the end of the day, without you guys, our channel is nothing, our views is nothing, our comments is nothing, our likes are nothing. But more so than just superficial, notoriety and social recognition, I appreciate that in a moment I could be human and express myself to you guys. And you guys will support me. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. Those of you that have been wondering about my sales associate, because you've seen so many people order their dream Birkins, dream Kellys, dream Evelyns, Lindy's, garden part, like you've seen them order this stuff because I shared on my Instagram. Instagram is down here below. And where you guys have seen this video linked right here, where I do a massive Hermes giveaway. I also do a massive Hermes boxing, special orders, Kellys, Birkins, Celliers, Twillies, Rodeos, wallets, like all that. You will see the amazing customer service I get from my sales associate, the stupid, ridiculous pricing, where I'm telling you, we're probably now at like over 150 people have ordered from my recommendation. And people are ordering, buying, and getting exactly what they want. Due to the issue of the coronavirus, my sales associate hasn't been at work for about a month. He will let me know when he is back at work and when he will be taking requests. I will gladly let you guys know. So many of you guys that missed out on ordering when he was really working, and you're seeing everybody get what they want. Like, now Drew, tell me, Drew, I want this information, But the thing is this, you guys kind of waited a little bit too late. Now there's this epidemic, and now shipping has halted. If you guys want to know what's going on with the whole shipping stuff, watch my video linked up here, coronavirus, and the impact that it has, just the shipping, export, cross-docking, offshoring, all that, and storing fees. And anyone that understands supply chain management, or anyone that's majored in business or network in business, they pretty much know about operations management and stock keeping units and all kind of stuff. So you'll understand why we're having these issues. Anyways, you guys, let's get to this bag. My review on the mini Fendi Peekaboo from the Nicki Minaj collection. You guys, you've already saw it in the intro. The bag is just spectacular. The bag is phenomenal. I highly recommend this bag given its price. It's about $5,000. or a little over 5,000. I checked my receipt. I highly recommend this bag because it's leather on the exterior, leather on the interior, so it's extremely durable. I have to say I've been wearing it quite a bit. Even though the bag doesn't have feet, I don't see any scratches on the bag. I use it casually, I use it formally, and I'm just obsessed with this bag. So, pros, love that it comes with the handle, and I love that it comes with a strap. And I actually prefer this over a Kelly or a Coco handle because this strap is actually adjustable. If I wear it casually, I do wear it crossbody. You know, casually also, if I'm in a crowded place, I do want it to be a little bit more under my armpit so that it's not easily accessible to a pickpocketer. So the crossbody and tight function is just absolutely amazing. I love that for this bag. And I love that the strap is removable. Now, the only con that I have with this bag is security. Because I did go shopping one time at a grocery store, and even with the bag being closed, let's close it here. Even with the bag being closed, these little side side things are accessible. Now, unless you're a fairy or a dwarf, I mean, you really won't be able to put your hand in and really get too much, but just the visibility of seeing it like that, it just makes me feel a little uncomfortable. So I did not like shopping and leaving it in the cart per se, even with the little, cause I get the little baby straps and strap my bag up and make sure there's locks up so somebody try to pull it, bitch, it ain't going nowhere. So let's get into what fits into the bag because that's what made it so practical for me and why I really enjoy this bag. And for the compactness of the bag, it really fits quite a bit. Let's go with the first section. I will put in this full-size Gucci D-ring wallet. Full-size Gucci D-ring wallet paired with my power bank. Then my hand sanitizer, Corona. Then my little cosmetic pouch. This is the little HERMES pouches that come with, you know, your keys and stuff. But as you can see, I use it for makeup. It has a peekaboo brush with some lipsticks in here. Put that in there. And then let's switch to the rear pocket now. So we've not even truly filled up the front pocket, but now we're gonna move to the rear. I will put a full size 16.9 ounces water bottle into the rear of the bag. And as we see, you know, it still has its shape. It doesn't look like it's bulging, doesn't look like it's crazy. So you can fit a full-size water bottle. So, you know, if you're sightseeing, if you're traveling, you guys want to carry water because you don't know the next time you'll be able to get water. Also me, I like to accessorize my fans because child summer is coming, but also when you be in the club, girl. If you be in the club and you just got through twerking to some good old Beyonce music, dropping it low, picking it back up slow, you know, you get hot. And honey, you want to accessorize with the bag. So you want it to be color coordinated and just be like, oh. You do it like this, you know, you have your hand, you're like, oh, wow, you know, and it's just like, damn, ooh, look at you, child. Color coordinating with your fan. Now let's try to close it at this point. Let's close it. So I've now closed this section and it looks pretty good. And we'll now close the rear of the bag. So this is the bag closed with all the contents inside. It does not look disformed. It is still carrying, honey. So, yeah. I'm also gonna need a charging cable for my power bank. I'm also gonna need my taser. And most importantly, I'm gonna need a phone. So now let's try closing it at this point. Close the rear, and now let's close the front of the bag. So now this is truly how it is closed. We can see a little bit of concaving here. So it just would take some slight readjusting. What I would do is to slightly readjust, maybe push this. What's so beautiful about this bag is that what you could do is close the side that has the most valuables, your phone, your money, and maybe your lipstick. But then you could just leave this side open and accessible with the less valuables. That if somebody takes it, it's like, well, girl, you can't really take anything. And probably lace it on top so they can't see the inner contents. So use this cosmetic bag right here to lay it on top so nobody can see the inner contents of the bag. But also I feel like if I just do some slight readjusting, maybe if I put this in here, and now try to readjust it and close it. Okay, this is actually much better. So now you guys see it simply, I just readjusted. I took the taser from this section, put in the back section. And now I know that, you know, it just takes some readjusting. So you actually have quite a bit of things in here. Bag still looks like it's in great shape. Mom, the bag is in great shape. And if the bag gets heavy, all you gotta do, baby, is hook this strap. Bang! Honey, you got the strap, and all you gotta do, if it's too long, simply adjust the strap. Being that it is cheaper than buying a Kelly bag, I highly recommend it, except if you order from my associate, you know you will definitely be able to afford a Kelly bag. Being that it's cheaper than a Coco handle, I would definitely recommend the mini Fendi Peekaboo. Either the Nicki Minaj collection or whatever collection you like, because they come in different leathers, they come in different styles. Also, what I do like about the Fendi Peekaboo is that it also comes with a raincoat. I have to go digging for mine, but I love that it comes with a raincoat. So you guys, it has a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching the review. Again, the mini Fendi Peekaboo, and with all you could fit in it, is absolutely exceptional. Please stay tuned for my future videos comparing the Fendi Peekaboo with my Hermes Kelly and also with my Coco handle to really decide which bag from this similar body silhouette, you know, is the best for bang for your buck.